Want to verify your email address on Discord? It only takes a minute, and in this video, I'll show you the quickest way to do it on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon at the top, then go to Account. Here, you'll see your email is verified. But if your email address hasn't been verified yet, you'll see a Verify Email option. Tap on it to continue. Discord will send a verification code. Open the email and tap the Verify Email button. This will open in your browser and complete the verification process. And lastly, tap Continue to Discord to return to the app. That's it. Your Discord email address is now successfully verified. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.